Yeah, get a pack of cigarettes.
Tony and Lindsay? Oh my God! That's fucking...
Man, I don't want to walk to the gas station.
That's 5 foot and McNeil!
Are gonna go walk to the gas station?
Let's go.
And grab some
Let's just go.
You are a stout motherfucker. This has got to be all muscle. Seriously.
I hate you.
Dude.
You're gonna be hating me in the morning.
No.
I'm talking for real. You're gonna be hating me in the morning.
Let me straight up. My knees about to go on the plate, please.
Dude, I want you to stand
Let
up.
me out!
You're not hurting, motherfucker. Come on.
He got the diamond.
I know he does. Dude, man,
What happened?
I can't pick you up anymore. I gotta get drunk or something, because...
We got whiskey.
Yeah, we do. Sure,
What
I'll
is
be back.
cigarette?
I'm getting a water. Where's the water?
What do I got to eat? Why do I get the fucking... Why do I got the fucking... Why do I got the fucking hiccups? Woo!
I don't know, dog.
Listen.
You're
don't
fucking
have to
awesome.
Well, yeah, you do.
I hate.
Dude, hate is a bad word. If you hate, then you can't hate somebody you like. You can't hate somebody you like.
Cody, come here.
Cody, come here. God.
Come here.
You know, if you calm down, sit here for a minute and let me get fucked up, we can let everybody else take care of both of us.
This is I'm fucking waiting on you to get fucked.
Dude, let me get drunk. Sit down, smoke a cigarette, relax.
Who's gonna drive my car?
Nobody's driving your fucking car.
Dude,
Are you video camera?
No, I'm not. I was almost about to take a picture. But I'm not
You
anymore.
look young.